Saan yung ox? Yung may malaking sungay pa lang eh. Yung ox, yung malaki yung sungay. Ayun. Yay! Ayun. Camel. Yung may daming likod. Saan yung camel? Yung camel na may madaming likod. Saan? Yun. Ayun. Horse. Paano ang horse? Tigidig, 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 tigidig. Ayun, elephant, yung may malaking tenga. Ayun, ayun yak. Saan yung yak? Ayun, ayun reindeer. Very good naman ng palangay. Galing-galing. Lipat tayo, lipat. Next page, next page. Very good ang bibi. Tumba. Asan yung pig? Uy, ayan cow. Hindi yan. Saan yung cow? Ayun. Ayun. Hi, cow. Ayun. Turkey. Ayun. Ayun. Bee. Ano pa kami video pa amang study?
Asan yung bees?
Ay, taklo ba na rin? Wow, karaskal naman. Babay na ikaw, Sige mo
Say bye-bye sa video. Bye, audience. Bye.
Bye-bye. Flying kiss na ikaw.
Flying kiss. Say
Wink ka. Flying kiss na ikaw.
Flying kiss na ikaw. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's a nice story.